Best hotel on my trip. Stayed at multiple locations in Japan with Kyoto being my last stop, and I gotta say that you're definitely getting your money's worth here. Paid the least and got the most here during my whole trip. Definitely recommend. Excellent room, very clean. Location is convenience. Staff was very helpfully. Exceptional, enjoyed our stay. Will definitely go back. Excellent room. Except the walking distance, 20 minutes to station, everything else is excellent. Room was massive, kitchenette was quite useful for us to feed the kids and ourselves at times. We'll stay back again in future. Highly recommended, very nice staffs with comfy room. Perfect. We are having South Asia tour. This is the best hotel we have stayed so far. We amazed with the quality at this price. Clapping hands, it had everything, even things we never expected. Washing machine, mini kitchen, etc. They thought about everything from toothbrush to conditioner. We felt like royalty, even better than expected. We paid a twin room for 3 with a separate couch, and we were very happy with what we had with our money. It's cheap, the personal is so nice, the place clean, pretty and so convenient, and only 2 stops from Tokyo Station and a good number of sightseeings. Would definitely recommend. Exceptional, very good. Recommended hotel in Kyoto, very nice hotel with quiet ambience. The staff are very polite and hotel is clean. Worth the value for money, smiley face. Nice hotel, decent location. Room very good. Room is clean, facilities in the room is very good, reasonable price but a bit far from train station. Home away from home, highly recommend this sparkling clean and home-like room, clean sheets and all. Considering Kyoto again, we'll chose to book this property. Exceptional, I like room type, have a kitchen and washing machine. Amazing stay. Service apartment and hotel integration concept. Located in an endearing neighborhood. Exceptional place with an affordable price in Kyoto.